How to specify nullable return type with type hints. Suppose I have a function. How do I specify the return type for something that can be none?
You're looking for optional. Since your return type can either be datetime, as returned from datetime.uck or none, you should use optional datetime. From the documentation on typing, optional is shorthand for optional X is equivalent to union X, none.
Where union X, Y, means a value of type X or Y.
If you want to be explicit due to concerns that others might stumble on optional and not realize its meaning, you could always use union. But I doubt this is a good idea. Optional is an indicative name and it does save a couple of keystrokes. As pointed out in the comments by @Michael0 by 2a union T, none, is transformed to union T, type none, so no need to use type here. Visually these might differ, but programmatically, in both cases, the result is exactly the same. Union datetime.datetime, none a type, will be the type stored in get underscore some underscore date dot underscore annotations underscore. Use typing.get underscore type underscore hints to grab the objects underscore annotations underscore attribute instead of accessing it directly.
You could just use the vertical line datetime, none, similar to operator.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.